If you're a developer, sometimes you have to work with markup. It takes time to extract structure and put placeholders on a page, and it is very easy, so even Monky can do it. So let the markup monkey do it for you. First, you need to inject markup monkey script on a page, and now you need to select root element where our application will be working. So now when you do it, you can actually extract structure, specifying which elements will be cycle, and you can see this li element probably is a cycle, and this is also a cycle, it's repeating, and from what I know, content may include a lot of unpredictable things. So let's just secure this by making this content HTML container. And also, if we go through the page, we can see some elements are optional and they may appear or disappear. So we need to mark them as a cycle as well. So now when we finish markup, we can preview what we have in our application. And with preview, it's just the same application. It looks quite the same, except for this is actually a Vue.js application. So we have a template that is extracted from the page, and we have data that filled in this template. And this is how we get the page, and we can modify it if you want. We can remove elements, or we can rename, change values. Or we can change sub elements. For example, this probably users, so we can rename remove few from the list. So now when we see the template is okay, we can download it as a Vue application or a Twig template. You can open a template in editor and see what exactly you have, and we have all meaningful values replaced with variable, and you can see example of what was in the text before. So you know, for example, extracted 81 is actually a username, so you can rename it without any fear to rename something else. Each variable have unique name, so you can just rename by variable name. And this would be a project name, so let's rename it. And you can run through template. Basically, you see it's one cycle that includes all everything you need to build a page that looks exactly like you saw on the page. And this is rough HTML. You can also use it if you need extracted data. That's it. In just a few clicks, you have template extracted and placeholders filled in with meaningful values. So you can now inject it in your application. Enjoy!